How to change notification LED color on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open VK and go to app hub, and then go to the storylines here, and once you're here, click settings and then click notifications, and then scroll down until you find advanced. Click on it, and here we'll find LED. Click on it and select any color you want here, and then click OK, and that's it. I hope that can help you because it's easy. Then just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.